everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I'm excited to have you. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I'm going to be making heatless coils using threading method. So let's start. So what you see me doing is applying some hair oil on my hair. I made this hair oil myself because it stimulates hair growth, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box where you can make your own hair oil yourself. So first thing first, you're going to section out your hair like this, detangle it with a wide tooth comb, and then we're going to start threading. So guys, when you start threading, don't hold the base too tight so that you'll be able to sleep comfortably in the night, because if it's too tight, it will pain you. So you don't want that. You just hold it very loose but secure it, and then as you're threading it down, you space it out. If you look closely, you see the way I'm spacing it out, and when I get to the tip of the hair also, I reduce the spacing. I made the spacing a little closer to the previous one. So when it's done like this, I'm just going to push my hair towards the root and pull the thread down like this. So when this is done, I'm just going to secure it. And guys, take note, the way I'm knotting it at the end here, I'm tying it in a way that when I want to take it down, it will be very easy for me. It's not going to like drag my hair along with the thread. Just watch it close. I just put the thread around my two fingers, then put the tail in between my two fingers, and I didn't bring all the thread out all the way, just halfway like this. So when I want to lose it, I just pull that end like that, and it just loses easily. You just see it, guys. So this way your hair is safe and secure. We're not trying to rip our hair off, we are trying to grow our hair. So guys, let's continue. And guys, I think I should let you all know that I'm doing this on, I'm not doing this on a dry hair, I'm doing it on I don't know, my hair is a little bit wet because I just washed my hair and deep conditioned it, so it's like almost drying before I apply the cream and I start doing this. I didn't just do it on a very dry hair. I just think I should let you guys know, so when you want to do yours, you can deep condition it first and wait for it to like almost dry before you apply your hair cream and start threading it. When I'm done with everything, I'm going to go to bed, and the next morning I'm going to take it down. So this is the next morning, it's all dried up. I'm just going to pull on that thread, and it will just loose easily like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take down all the threads. Take your time to take it down. Don't rush it so you don't like scatter the coils, but it's very defined because of the conditioner that I put in it. So now I'm just going ahead to apply some hair oil on my hair, and I'm going to detangle the coil gently. I'm just going to separate it gently like that, one after the other. I'm really excited at the outcome of this style. I didn't know it was going to be very defined like this. The coils are very bouncy. Check this out now, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and take down every other one. And what you see me doing is like I'm trying to make it look a little bit fuller. So when I just put the comb underneath, I just like comb it halfway through. I don't comb it all the way, just halfway through, so that the lines, the section I make can be closed up, you know, and to make my hair look a lot more fuller. So now I'm going to style it. I'm using those bobby pins. You can go ahead and do any style that you like, that you prefer, or that you can do. This is just the style that came to my mind at the moment when I was doing it, and it came out nice because I liked it. I like it so much, guys. Don't you love the way it's just bouncy? See the way the coils are defined and bouncy. Will you try something like this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now I'm just going ahead to make the front part to have some volume also, like what I did with the back. I'm just making it to have some volume. Like I said, you can do any style that you want. This style is just what came to my mind at that point. I'm just loving it. I can't stop talking. I'm just loving the way it's looking. And this is the back view. Just use your hands to like comb it through with your hand so that the coils will still be there. So this is what it's looking like from behind. And guys, the DIY hair oil I used for this video, I made it myself. It consists of ginger, garlic, onion in it. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, guys, so you can check it out and make your DIY hair oil yourself, because it helps hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider clicking on the subscribe button, like and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.